Hello our dear customers, today we will see how to use our humidifier. At first open our box. What we can see, it's one filter, USB plug and user manual in English and our humidifier. At first we need to open our lid and prepare our humidifier. So let's do it. Then you need to put our filter into the water for 1 or 2 minutes. And don't forget about the spring, it's very important. So add some water and put our filter in it. After this, you just can add some essential oil if you want. So adjust our filter. Please pay attention on the spring. And add 2 or 4 drops of essential oil if you want. It's up to you. Cover the lid and plug in our device. We use USB plug, so it's very comfortable. You can use it everywhere. And then you just turn on the device. You touch this screen. At first time you just turn on the light and fog. If you touch the second time you just turn off the light, but we still have our fog. And the third time you turn off the device. So let's see how it works. First touch, second and the third. If you have some problems with our device, you can contact us and we will help you to solve all your problems.